So I'm here at Sugarbush today with Rob talking about collision avoidance. And of course, we all want to do what we can to avoid collisions, keep ourselves and others safe. But in the event that you are in a collision, there are certain things that we need to do to take care of that situation, take care of whoever else is involved in that with us.
Yeah, so obviously the first step is to avoid a collision, but if you do find yourself in one, the first thing we want you to do is stop and make sure that the other person is okay. Prevent further collisions, so make sure people above you don't ski into more collisions. And it is a requirement, it is a law in Vermont, you have to exchange information anytime you're involved in a skier collision. So whether you're hurt or not, you're supposed to exchange your name, phone number, address with the other person. But if you're hurt, you got to call Ski Patrol immediately and get that process started.
Collisions happen sometimes, and so we just want to remind everybody also that typically it's a very much accidental situation, so there's no need to get overly frustrated with the other person. Try to be cooperative and work things out so that you can get yourselves into a better situation.
There's a button on your Sugarbush app that dials the Ski Patrol emergency line directly, but otherwise 583-6567 is our emergency number. Anytime you're crossing a trail, you got to slow down, look uphill to avoid a collision. If you're coming out of the woods, make sure you can be seen and you see other people, so as you pop out on the trail, you're not causing a collision.
Let's watch our speed and space around each other so that we can stay safe out there and be able to come back and ride and ski day after day.
Yeah, have fun, but don't get hurt.